Hi loves. So this is Annie Dibia coming back, not just in a very, but as the queen she has always been. This girl is very pretty. I mean, she's not aging. See how pretty she is. And to think that I have been hearing rumors of her leg being amputated or going to be amputated, you can all see that she's standing with both legs. But even if something happened to the leg, I believe it has healed completely and she's looking very happy. Okay, she linked up with Regina Daniels and you can see how happy she's. I'm glad she's healing. So many controversies has been going on from her supposed husband. Do you understand? That is the story of another day. But the good thing is, it is her time now. And I wish her all the very best to glow like she's just glowing now and glow even more, and then let her star clearly shine and blind those that thought that she's not going to survive this situation in her life. So you can see how glamorous she's looking. I'm truly happy for her, to be honest. I'm really glad. Then she now jets out with her daughter, one of her daughters. She jets out with her, still maintaining this tease and her classy lifestyle. So you can see that in the video, and you can see how happy people that are around them are seeing her back. You can just notice how the air hostess that was standing close to the plane was smiling all through, seeing her. Do you understand? You see that this is the prayer of everybody. Everybody loves Annie, and we pray that she's going to do amazingly well as she has come back with a full force. Let her reign begin. Do you understand? So now, Eto came to see Tony Elumelu and gave him a red Hermes tie. Can you spot something? I think red is one of Tony Elumelu's favorite color. So Eto tends to touch it in his socks, while the person he came with has it in her blazers. Do you understand? That's very, very intentional. And I like that about him. Like, you can see how he drew attention of Tony. So guys, this is the gist, and I hope that you enjoy it, and I'm coming back with more. So if you're new here, please kindly hit that subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much.